Boys, what's the deal, babies? We're back at it again. You know what it is, with another video. Today, we're gonna be making my ST look a little bit faster than it really is. There's two things that I kind of want to try out. I want to take off the front grille where my intercooler is to expose my intercooler just because it looks cool. And then people know what's up. And they know that I got an intercooler and they know that I'm fast, dude. They know that I'm fast. In reality, we know that I'm not, but we can make it appear that way. Second thing that I want to do, I want to go to Home Depot and get like that little garden lining for like bushes and stuff. And I want to put it on my front lip. I feel like I've seen people do that before. Like, I definitely know they have, but I've never tried it and I don't know how to mount it. I'm thinking of just using like 3M tape or something, dude. I don't even know. But boys, we're gonna figure it out together today. We're gonna go down to your boy's spot that he loves oh so much, and we're gonna try and take off this front grille first. Pulling up to the spot. I hope to God that it's open. Let's see right now. It's closed. Of course. You just love to see it. When you want to go to your little spot, your little hideaway, and it's closed 4 days out of the week, and it's on random days, and you just don't know when it's closed. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go find a new spot, boys. Okay, second spot didn't work. I guess all my spots are taken today by either construction or super large iron gates that I cannot pass through. So let's try it again, boys. Let's find something else. I think this might work. Avoid all speed bumps, even though I'm still not lowered somehow. Okay, so we found our spot. Kind of secluded, not really. That's okay, people are gonna watch me do this. It is what it is, I gotta get used to it. Let me show you what we're taking off. This right here is what's hiding my intercooler. As you can see, it's like hiding back there like a little baby. Apparently all this is just some clips. And I heard it's a pretty horrendous noise when you take it off, but it's okay because it's just clips breaking, I guess. Okay, so apparently, like I said, I have to just like pull this off. It doesn't really feel like it should be pulled off. Oh. Well, that was easy. Okay. Okay. Really? That's it? That's as hard as it is? Oh God, okay. Ah. Oh, what's this? Okay, so that's not very good. That looks pretty horrendous, if I don't say so myself. I don't really know if I like the way that looks. I guess I can just snap it back on. What do you guys think? Does that look any better? Does that look cooler? Or does it look worse? I can't tell if I like it. I mean, I'm gonna run it for a little bit just to see, but maybe we can cut those things off. But I don't know if that's like support for the car or not. Like, I don't know if it needs that. I don't think it does. It's really plasticky, but I mean, if you got like 5 minutes of time and you just want to make your intercooler exposed a little bit more, just pull off that little piece of trash. All right, off to Home Depot. This might be super jank. Oh well.
Going up to Home Depot, the place where men congregate. Come on now. Oh, I love the smell of fresh wood. Home Depot.
Okay, so we just pulled up to Home Depot. I have to find like some material that's gonna be able to mold in the shape of my lip. So I'm thinking it's not gonna be that gardening thing that I was talking about, because that just comes in a straight line and it's not gonna bend, there's no way. So I'm gonna go in there and find some stuff and I'll come back and show you what I got, because I gotta grab something, I gotta try something. I just don't know what. I already know this is gonna be so dumb and I'm gonna get flamed so bad for this, but dude, it's all good, baby. So, some Scotch tape and some bottom garage door sealer or liner kind of thing. It's like this rubbish material. Total, all this stuff. Okay, so first of all, you really only need one Scotch tape. I just got a second one just in case. I'll return it if I don't need it. It costed 30 bucks, okay? So, you cannot flame me. If it only costed 30 bucks, it's worth a shot. I'm gonna take this off, I'm sure. Like, there obviously is no way I'm gonna leave this on my car. But I think it's gonna be a fun experiment because I've seen people do it and I've always wanted to try it. Actually, take that back. I haven't always wanted to try it. I just decided today would be a good day to try it. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna go back to the spot and we're gonna get on it. Also, really quickly, since we're in the middle of the video, probably there's some people watching still, I really actually want to thank you guys so much for almost getting me to 1,000 subscribers so far. It's literally been like 6 months or so, and we're already to that point, which is crazy. And it's not even like really the number. Like I don't, like, it's cool. I don't really care that much, but like, it's more the fact that we're building like this little community right now, and like I see like the same people like in the comments like every time, like no matter what video I post, and like we're all like just gelling. It's sick. Like it's really cool. So I want to keep doing this. I'm not gonna stop. Obviously, like I told you guys before multiple times, I'm gonna keep doing this. So let's keep building, and if you see this part and you want to be a part of the family, come on and join in, brother. Hit that subscribe button. I post like once or twice a week, every single week. So let's go back to the spot and let's just see how sketchy this is about to be, dude. I'm kind of excited. We'll see. Here we are with our little sketchy garage door sealer, our Scotch tape, and our little Stanley knife. How does this come off? Probably like that. What? Okay, so this doesn't have a blade in it already. I thought this had a blade in it. I am so dumb, so that's not gonna work. Okay, so here's the stuff that I'm talking about. It's this rubber material. My thought is that we're gonna fold this, like in half, kind of, and wrap it around the lip like this. Or we can just go like that. I don't know exactly how it's supposed to go. Haven't figured that out yet. This is gonna look so dumb, and I already know it, and that's okay, because guess what? I can take it off, so it's fine. But if you wanna stick around and watch me take like the biggest L that I've taken so far, then please watch this, because this is gonna be frustrating. First, let's see if I can even cut this with this thing right here. Okay, so this isn't gonna cut this, so that's super unfortunate. This is where I wish I had that friend that was always like, you need a knife? That's always got a knife on him. So this was the idea, okay? That's kind of the idea. I really actually do kind of like the way that looks. I mean, it's obviously terrible material and it's not gonna look great when I put it on, but I like that concept. The problem is that I have this like, it's like a cup spoiler. Like it's a really big curve and then it goes up. So obviously I can't just line it like that and have it come over here and look perfect. It's not gonna work. I think I'm gonna need like 3 separate pieces, which is super jank and it's gonna look terrible. So I'm trying to figure that out. I'm gonna go find some scissors really quick so I can cut this thing up. I'm gonna get this part mounted up today, and then we'll see what I can do about those other ones on the side there. I don't know. Okay, so change of plans. We're not going to my place. We're going to my buddy's place, which I'm pulling up to right now. And he's got some scissors for me. So that saves me a ton of time. Here's the bottom line. I found what I needed. I got this with an actual knife in it, a little razor, so we're good. So I'm gonna measure this up right here and see how long it is, and then I'm just gonna cut this and tape it. We'll see. Of course. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so this looks like it's about the right size. I honestly have no idea, I can't really tell, but I'm already too deep into this video to not put this on. So I'm just gonna do it. This is my life now. This is my life. I do it for you boys. You know how it is. Wow, it's coming along beautifully, you know? This is worth it. You should all do this, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's great. Oh my gosh. Look at that, dude. Yes. That looks fantastic. Wow, that looks great, man. I'm so proud of myself. That's terrible, dude. That is terrible. So I guess I completely missed how everybody else does this. I didn't watch a video on it or how to do it. I just said, okay, let's go to Home Depot and let's run it, dude. This is what happens when you just decide to run things yourself with no prior experience at all. So, absolute L. The biggest L. I can't stop looking at it. I'm not even looking at the camera. I literally can't stop looking at that. Look, everybody look at me. Never do that. Never do that. I lead by example of how to not do things apparently, because that is just, I mean, I don't know what I expected. What did I expect, dude? Oh my gosh. I'm driving with it though. I'm driving home with it. Let's see if it sticks. I doubt it. Let me give you guys a closer look. Okay, so obviously as you can see, it's wavy everywhere. It's not too wavy actually, it's more just the sides that are wavy, like the very ends. But I mean, yeah, I could trim this obviously and I could take that, you know, I could trim that off. But dude, what's the point, dude? Oh my gosh. Just don't ever do that. Ever do that. Don't ever do that. I just wanted to try it out and see what would happen. And I found out. I'll never do it again. And I don't think any of you should either, unless you're just like really mechanically inclined, or not mechanically inclined, but like artistically inclined, if anything. I don't even know, dude. I don't know what you need to be good at this. I'm just packing up my stuff right now and I'm like, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing? Let's get on the road and see if old girl stays. So we've been driving, doing about like 55-ish, and I haven't heard any bad noises yet. So I'm assuming that means it's still on. So at least that means like the integrity of the tape is good. Doesn't mean much else than that. So, still good so far, I think. We'll see. Okay, doing like 65-ish, and it's still good, I think. Let's pull over and check, actually. Let's go pull over and look. The only thing that I'm worried about is if it comes off and it gets like tangled up in something underneath my car. I'm really not trying to like have that happen. So I think that's gonna be our speed test right there, is doing like 65. Ooh, like freeway speeds. I think that's gonna be it, because I wanna take this thing off and not have it ruin my car, to be honest. Okay, our time to shine. Okay, it's still on, dude. It's still on, it's good. It's fine. Oh, it's like really on there. Ow. Okay, well that was a relatively fun little short experience we just had all together, all as one big unit. Yeah, that was kind of a, I mean, I knew that it was gonna be terrible, but I didn't think it'd be that freaking bad. I chalk a lot of that up to my ability to actually make things DIY. Can't do it, dude. I guess I'm really bad at that. So I guess that this is gonna stay off forever, literally never going back on my car ever. I'm gonna stick to parts that are pre-made from companies, because that seems to be the only thing that's gonna work for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. We're really close to 1,000 subscribers, like I said before. If you guys wanna help me get there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button because of this huge L that I just took. And again, just like the last vlog, feeling a little bit more depressed than usual now, because that didn't turn out the way I wanted it, but at the same time, we knew it was gonna be bad at the start. So, with that being said, boys, I'm gonna have to catch you on the next one. Peace.